Hi, this is PR Sundar. Welcome to Post Market Report sponsored by Delta.exchange. We opened slightly higher in the morning, but nobody thought this kind of dream run to continue. The markets came under a slight profit booking in the morning. That's because the European futures were lower, US futures were also lower, but then again it has recovered. And in the afternoon, there was some slight selling. But from 12 noon to 3:30, there were about 13 15-minute candles. Out of the 13 15-minute candle, 11 candles were in green. That was the kind of buying has happened today. Even one candle was at the end of the day. So the markets are really looking very, very bullish. And just remember, last Tuesday, the low was around 16,438. I'm talking about future. And today it is almost 17,400. So that is nearly 1,000-point rally in less than a week. And today, what supported? The big brother, Reliance Industries. So Reliance Industries, Infosys, TCS, I think everything was in green. And the three major contributors are Kotak Bank, Bajaj Finance and Reliance. So FIIs, when they start buying, they will keep buying. When they start selling, they will keep selling. So that's why the big trend happens in India. So I do not know what is the FII figures because I'm recording this video much earlier as I need to go out. So tomorrow morning we will discuss about their buying figure. And yesterday only I came out with a video for the future outlook for our market. So I came out with a very, very bullish view, but of course thumbnail we have given, as if will the market fall below 16,000. What to do? When you are giving such kind of thumbnail, only more people watch. And after a long time, that was the video that has made more than 1 lakh view in less than 24 hours. And I think now it's clearly that is playing out. Bank of Baroda came out with good results, but despite that there was a fall in the morning. But I used that opportunity to sell 110 put option. You may remember just one day before last week expiry, I sold 115 put option. That was 55 pice only pocketed. Today I sold 110 put option. IDFC First Bank shot up more than 10-12%. So that was expected because they came out with very, very good results. So as expected, JSW still has done very well. So nowadays, every week I started recommending some stock, and last week only I gave HDFC Bank, and this week I've given JSW. I think both have performed very well. So I'm happy if you have made some money. So JSW still was my weekly recommendation, but actually it came under some selling pressure in the morning, but after that it started shooting up. So we are looking at open interest. So there was a large unwinding in 17,000, 17,100, 17,200 call option. In fact, on last Thursday, 16,900 straddle was having a huge open interest with a 300-point premium. So people thought, market will not cross 17,200, and now it is only Monday. It has already crossed 17,300. So the markets are looking really very, very bullish, and that is why the people are just squaring up their call options and selling put options. So 17,200 had the huge addition of open interest today. So by looking at it, I think 17,200 will be a good support for this week. So I became too bullish. So I bought one 17,500 put option, sold 4 times 17,200 put option, and sold 3 times 17,600 call option. And maybe I can show you from the Opstra. So this is how the payoff chart will look like. And I've taken the closing price, but actually I've done a bit earlier. But let us take a closing price. So I'll be making some profit as long as the market trades between 17,100 to 17,700. So I think market is expected to trade in that range only for the next few days. and let us hope I'll make some profit. And the margin is around 3 lakh rupees for this strategy. Assuming the somewhere here market closes, at least if I get like 6,000-7,000 rupees profit, that will be about 2% return for 3 days time. So that's something really very good. Now maybe let us look at the chart now. So I've already showed you that Nifty 17,500 will be the resistance here, and the second resistance will be around 18,000. So that's what we discussed last week. And the same way support will be, I told you 16,000, 17,000 will be the first support and 16,800. I think now 17,000 will be the good support unless something happens globally. I really don't know how markets can run up like this without any profit booking in any part of the world. And if you are looking at the Bank Nifty, the same thing only. So I told you the first support will be 36,900, second support will be 36,000. And yesterday it consolidated, it closed, but today it moved significantly higher. Today it went almost 38,000 Bank Nifty future. And what I am showing you is a spot. So again the resistance will be around 38,800. And for which stock to trade tomorrow? Now you can see the banking stocks all like flying, like IDFC Bank shot up 10-12%. HDFC Bank is looking very, very strong. ICICI Bank also. There was only one stock that came under some selling pressure in the last few days. That was a Kotak Bank. I think the markets were not happy with the results, so that stock came down. So after the result, so from almost from 1850, it came down to 1750. So it fell so much. Now because the market sentiment is good, so it's recovering, so it's moving higher. And you can see that, so this high was taken out already, and also this high is also taken out, right? So the results came, markets were not happy with the results and the markets fell, but now that high is taken out. So now logically the next resistance should be somewhere here, which is another 100 point away. So if the markets continue to be bullish, so Kotak Bank is one candidate for a long position. But markets have been going higher almost on a day-to-day basis for the last so many days. Anytime some profit booking can come in US market and markets can turn around. So in case markets start reversing, and which is the stock we can look for shorting, so that is Lupin. And look at the Lupin. So Lupin was consolidating, so it has taken out this high. So when I have taken out this high, it went higher, but that high level could not sustain, and coming and breaking this level again, and now it is again consolidating. So breaking this level, it closed exactly here, so this is not a good sign. So definitely if the markets reverses, so Lupin is a good shorting candidate. So you can short here, you can keep the stop loss here, and same kind of pattern you can see in Sun Perma. So this high was taken out and the high could not sustain, now it is falling. So you want to short, you can short by keeping so this 943 as the stop loss. So if the markets are bullish, one can consider going long in Kotak Bank, and if the market is short, one can consider going short in Sun Perma or Lupin. Let us see what happens tomorrow, and the markets are really too bullish, and so trend is your friend until the trend bends. So ride the bull market. So don't short this market at this point of time. So markets are very, very bullish, not only in India, all over the world. So hope you enjoyed watching this video. Thank you for watching.